my ETF group tonight.
What's that?
Extraterrestrial fans. We get together, tell stories, do art. I get to share my art this week. Pretty excited.
Boring. Are they gonna come and duck the hunger from my stomach? Where are we eating tonight?
You want to try out that new restaurant?
Gross. I know you've been before, but...
What's the matter? The food ain't that bad.
You sure? I'm not trying to get food poisoning and die.
We're all gonna die. The only question is when. Say 7 o'clock?
I guess.
Perfect.
I'll see you tonight.
Okay, see you then. Bye.
I don't think the roast beef at that restaurant was all that good.
I don't really care for that restaurant. What is that in the sky? Oh my gosh. What do you think that is?
It looks like it's towards the Sutherland's house.
Oh, I hope they're okay. I don't even hear sirens yet.
Yeah, I'll go get the Sutherland's a quick call.
Hurry up.
Thanks, vloggers, for sticking it out with me. Still in the forest. And I told you we would find something. Right through here looks very promising. Yeah, buddy. Check it out. What's that? That's a crater. Yeah. And inside, something fell from the sky. Look at that. That looks like a rock from the sky to me. The size of this crater is, oh, it's got to be 4 foot across at least. We come prepared. Taking this sucker home. Look at that. Ah, it's all black and oozy. Told you we could do it. Get this puppy back for pictures. That's right, guys. I told you we could do it. Get pictures. Prove everyone wrong. Oh Lord. He'll know what happened.
Help me. What?
The fuck is wrong with this? Come on, man, just stay with me at least. Jesus fucking Christ.
good? Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
What are you up to?
Not much. You?
Oh, just on these forums, there's a lot of chatter about what happened last night. What do you think it was?
Don't know, don't care.
You don't care. It falls practically in your backyard and you just don't care?
Obviously not.
What if I told you that I went and found out for myself what happened?
I thought I told you to stop going on those midnight missions.
Midnight missions. We need these midnight missions to save us, okay?
You know what? Fine. Something happens to you, don't come crawling back to me.
Alright, fine.
Get off of me! Hey Mom, how you doing?
Hey, honey, how are you?
I'm good. What you up to?
Just got back from Sunday school. Thought I'd give you a call.
Oh, that's nice. How was it?
It was okay. The kids at Sunday school were talking about something falling out of the sky.
You know, that's funny, because something similar happened last night.
Wait, you saw this thing?
Yep, landed right near the Sutherland farm.
The Sutherlands, they weren't at church this morning.
Yeah, I haven't seen them at all either.
So you saw it fall from the sky at the Sutherlands?
Yep,
Well, has anyone checked on them?
I tried calling last night, but no one picked up. They did reach out to me this morning, and they seem to be okay.
Oh, thank goodness. All right, well, I'll let you get back to work.
Okay, talk to you later.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Get back! Get back! Get out! Get out!